Today, we're going to build a sandcrawler using 3 Lego pieces.
These are all the pieces you are going to need. In the description of this video, I left the piece names, count, and design IDs.
We're going to start with this 45 2x1 inverted slope. And on the bottom of this inverted slope, I'm going to grab a minifigure roller skate. And what I want to do is, there's that end in the front of the minifigure roller skate that kind of sticks up where the minifigure's toe would go. Well, that is going to face the back of my inverted slope. So that straight end is where that little ridge is going to go. Otherwise, it just doesn't fit. This curve doesn't let you put that skate on. And I was going to leave it like this and just leave it micro scale, but I didn't like the bumps on the top. So we're going to get a 1x2 tile piece and just put that 1x2 tile piece across the top to smooth it out. And here we've got that giant sand crawler that the Jawas use as their home in micro scale.
If you enjoyed this video, please subscribe or check out some of our other videos. Until next time, let's keep building together.